Okay, David and Denise and Jack. This is the property line. You can see this piece of string, and this is running down, as you can see, into the hills. So it runs way down to there, and then of course it's running across the hill, which goes all the way back to the road. So you can see the property line here, and it was basically a straight sort of line almost, as you can see. Runs here, and then this is the royal palm, which we've got to do something with this thing. You know, this has got to have an accident. And then, as you can see, it's not a very nice day today, but you know, you've got your ocean views there. Okay, so it's all very nice. And then of course your land goes back there. Okay, so as you can see, the property line, the string, it runs to the corner of the hedge there. It runs here. And it runs along this line here, back all the way down the hill. So the views are pretty spectacular. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 6 coconut trees, 7, but of course we'd just clear all this land in front here. Take down a couple of the trees, take down this one here, of course, that's got no top, and then your views are going to be absolutely cracking. So I didn't get stung by a wasp again, which is good, because I did get stung when I came here the other day. So yeah, so you got all the nice land. So all this area, and then going back there, of course, is where you start building your house, on the other side of that royal palm. And you got a lot of rocks here, which is excellent. These rocks are very hard, so they're good for your foundations. Ow, bloody hell, my ankle. Okay, so we got more of your land cleared here. And then that's all your valley. So this is all where your house would be. Parking down here, down below. Okay. Whoa, it's a bit wet and slippy. So that's nice down there. You've got your bananas. And then this is all your land here, of course. This would be your driveway in, where I'm walking now. Going up to the road. So as you can sort of like try and visualise your house, start on a high point, going down the front, the pool. Lovely gardens, terraces, wonderful place. Yeah. So, I'm just going to walk back now, down the drive. Let's slip over here. And whoops, the daisy, falling over a bit here. Let's get here. We've got renters. And then all your land there, look, wonderful. That's better. And these are your neighbours' houses. There's one there, that's your rubbish store. Here's your wall, the boundary. And here's the land. Oops, truck's in the way. Again. So it runs all the way down here. All the way around here. And you can see where they start to clear. The boundary is where this blue mark is here. And then if we follow these palms, you know, this one, and then we follow down to where we can see the stump, and then there's a palm there, and it runs down there. So a jolly nice piece of land. So here's wishing you a very merry and happy New Year, and we'll see you soon.